Hello students, last class discuss about internal reconstruction, procedure of internal reconstruction, etc. etc. Then today I am going to teach accounting entries for alteration of share capital, how to pass journal entries. The following are the model of journal entries in respect of alteration of share capital. The first entry for the increase share capital by issue of new shares. The passing entry bank account debit to share capital account credit. Then second entry for the consolidation and subdivision of all or part of the share capital into shares of larger amount. It is passing the how to pass the journal entry. Share capital account old debit to share capital account new. Note the amount paid of share capital remain the same, but the number of shares is reduced. Then third entry, the consolidation and subdivision of all the part of the share capital into shares are smaller amount. The share capital account old debit to share capital account new. Note, in this case, also paid up share capital remain the same, but the number of shares is increased. Next, for conversion of shares into stock, the share capital account debit to capital stock account new credit. Then another entry for the conversion of the capital stock into shares, capital stock account old debit to share capital account new. Here, next, for cancellation of unissued shares, there is no entry. Note, the authorized share capital of the company will be reduced. Shares no cancelled. There is no entry for the last sixth entry. As some of the method that is passing the journal entry, that is model. Then I'm going to one problem how to solve the problem passing the journal entries. Ram Company Limited has made the alterations to its share capital. The company has to made fresh issue of 1,000 equity shares of rupees 10 is fully paid. Second, the company has consolidated 5,000 15% preference of rupees 10 is into 500 15% fully paid preference shares of rupees 100 each. Next, third, the company has subdivided fully paid 5,000 equity shares of rupees 100 each into 50,000 fully paid equity shares of rupees 10 each. Then fourth, the company has converted 30,000 fully paid equity shares of rupees 10 each into equity stock of rupees 3 lakh. Next, the company has reconverted equity stock of rupees 3 lakh into 30,000 fully paid equity shares of rupees 10 each. The company has cancelled unissued 500 shares of rupees 10 each. The past journal entries as per given format. In the books of Ram Limited. Then first entry, the past form. Here the company has made fresh issue of 1,000 equity shares of rupees 100, rupees 10 each fully paid. That is a given question. Then past the journal entry, bank account debit rupees 10,000 to equity share capital account rupees 10,000. The narration being fresh issue of 1,000 equity shares of rupees 10 is fully paid. Next second entry, the company has consolidated the 5,000 15 percentage preferences of rupees 10 each into 515 percentage fully paid preferences of rupees 100 is here. That is also the first entry, 15 percentage preference share capital account debit to 15 percentage capital account new, that is 50,000. Here is consolidation of shares 5,000. It is the reduce only 500 preferences, then rupees 100 is fully paid. Here it is the narration being consolidation of 5,000 15 preferences of rupees 10 each fully paid, 500 15 preferences of rupees 100 is fully paid. Next entry, that is a third question. The company has subdivided the fully paid 5,000 equity shares of rupees 100 each into 50,000 fully paid equity shares of rupees 10. That's entering equity share capital old rupees 5 lakh debit to equity share capital stock new 55 lakh. Here being conversion of 5,000 fully paid equity shares of rupees 100 is into 5,000 fully paid equity shares of rupees 10. Here the denomination of the value of shares is decrease only 10. Then also then another entry, that is the company has converted 30,000 fully paid equity shares of rupees 10 each into equity stock of rupees 3 lakh. Here equity share capital account rupees 3 lakh to equity share capital stock new credit column right 3 lakh being conversion of 30,000 fully paid equity shares of rupees 10 each into equity stock. Here shares is converted into stock. Next, fifth, the company has reconverted equity stock of rupees 3 lakh into 30,000 fully paid equity shares of rupees. That is passing journal entry. Here, the equity share capital old debit 3 lakh to equity share capital account new 3 lakh. Here, the the equity share conversion of equity shares stock of rupees 3 lakh into equity shares is rupees. Here also there is the shares denominations also changes 33 lakh 30,000 equity shares, the 10 rupees denominations also changes. Okay, here last entry, that is the company has cancelled unissued 5,000 equity shares of rupees 10 is there is no entry. The cancellation of unissued 500 equity shares of rupees 10 is does not affect paid up capital of the company. Hence, it is does not require any journal entries. These are important journal entry to pass the as per the method of the internal reconstruction. Okay, these are some important entry. Okay, that is I am going to close today. Next class I discuss about capital reduction. Thank you. capital